Hello, I'm BT, and this is the fourth tutorial, how to count numbers. This only works in numbers. Look, see, I'll show you. In the last video, we did SUMIF. This is from the old table we made last video. So, for the fourth tutorial, we're going to do count function. So, how this function works is like this. First, you do equal and count. If you read this thing, and if you are mostly reading, then this is what you've found. Counts the numbers of cells in a range that contains numbers. It only counts numbers. So write these and then write parentheses. In these parentheses, get all of this. Now click enter. 9. There's 9 values. Let's see here. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. But let's say you want to count the numbers. This value does not work for counting numbers. Let's see. I'll show you right now. Click enter. 0. It will not count the numbers. Okay, bye. And remember to subscribe to BT. This is the tutorial number 4, how to count functions. Bye. Have a nice day.